Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Very, very good morning. Please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Tell us something about yourself.
Sir, I did my 10th and 12th from Patna, Bihar, and later on I did my graduation in BTech in Information Technology from Cochin University of Science and Technology in 2016. After that, I have been working as a software engineer in Tata Consultancy Services.
And you are continuing your job
Yes,
right
sir.
now. Then why do you want to switch?
Sir, after my graduation, I wanted to prepare for civil services only. But due to some financial constraint, I had to join. And civil services provides better job prospects along with a decent salary and large scope to work with for the people and with the people.
Okay, that's why you are trying to be a civil servant now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell us something about the Digital India Mission.
Sir, Digital Indian Mission was launched. We launched so as to enable the digital penetration in the
When
country.
it was launched?
Sir, I don't remember the exact year. It was around 4 to 5 years back.
Okay, 4 to 5 years back.
I don't remember the exact year.
Yes, carry on.
Sir, it was launched so as to enable the digital penetration and to cater the large digital ecosystem in the countries. In the mission, several pillars were there. Some pillars were like enabling mobile connectivity and launching the several government services on the online format. Jan Dhan Aadhaar Mobile is an outcome of that Digital India Mission, and larger penetration has been because of this, of the digital services, and digital ecosystem has evolved because of that.
Have you heard about BharatNet project? What is this? It is a part of Digital India Mission.
Yes, sir.
The BharatNet. What is that?
Sorry, sir, I could not recall. May I guess on this?
Yeah.
Sir, it would be to provide internet connectivity or develop internet connectivity infrastructures like laying out optical cables, like that.
Providing internet connectivity to whom?
To the panchayats, to every panchayat maybe.
Okay, and what is digital divide?
Sir, digital divide is...
Divide?
Yes, sir. Digital divide refers to the people, some people having access to the digital services. On the other hand, some are not having the access to digital services and lack digital literacy.
Okay. What is a semiconductor?
Semiconductor is an device. Semiconductor is an materials which partially allows the flow of electricity.
Partially allows?
Yes, sir.
What does it mean, partially allows? In which condition it will allow, and in what circumstances it will not?
So semiconductors are basically made of silicon, germanium, and there are two types. Some are electron deficient and some has holes as an positive charge or holes as an carrier. So when they are exposed to various to the electric current, so one side of the plate attracts the charges, which enables to movement of the electrons through it in a controlled manner.
Okay. What is resistivity?
Resistivity is a property of materials which obstruct the flow of electrons through it.
And what is the relation between resistivity and temperature with respect to a conductor? Yes. And with respect to a semiconductor?
Sir, as the temperature increases, semiconductor conductivity of a material decreases. While we can attain superconductivity through semiconductors at low temperature or critical temperature. While in the case of resistivity, Uh, Sir, it also increases with the increase in temperature.
Where? In which case? In the case of conductors or in the case of semiconductors?
In case of conductors, sir, resistivity increases, I think.
Increases with increase in temperature.
Yes, sir.
And in case of semiconductors or superconductors?
Superconductors also, sir, conductivity decreases. Conductivity decreases in the case of superconductors.
With rise of temperature?
Temperature, yes, sir.
Then why it is called as superconductor? And how it is different from the traditional conductors or the semiconductors?
Sir, in superconductor provides low resistivity at in high temperature, so the dissipation of the current through the medium is very less.
You mentioned low temperature and critical temperature. What is this?
So the critical temperature is the temperature at which and materials become an superconductor. Generally, it's a low temperature. And it varies for material to material.
And what should be the what can be a normal range of that temperature?
Sir, there is no certain normal range for that. Scientists are currently working so as to attain the superconductivity at room temperature. So it varies, sir.
Okay, tell us something about ozone layer.
Sir, ozone layer is a protective layers that.
Where it is situated?
Sir, it lies in the stratosphere, lower stratosphere.
And what can be the estimated height of this ozone layer from Earth?
Sir, 10 to 15 kilometers. Sir, I am not aware of the exact height, but it lies in this range of 12 to 15 kilometers.
12 to 15. And what is the height range of stratosphere?
Sir, it's up to 50 kilometers from Earth's surface, from troposphere.
And what is the height of troposphere?
Sir, around, it varies on equator and the poles, but it generally lies in 8 to 10 kilometer range above the Earth's surface.
Okay. I'm giving you one or two terms, differentiate them.
Yes.
Sample, data, information.
Sir, sample is a subset of data, and data is collection of facts. Sorry sir, the third term, information. Information is the meaningful information that we extract from the data.
Okay. As IT engineer,
yes sir.
Suppose that in your mobile there is no network provided by your service provider.
Yes sir.
And there is need to call anyone in emergency.
Yes sir.
Then what you will do? And you are alone.
Sir, I can use the landline because without
not available at that side.
Sir, I can use postal method, but it might contain more time. Sir, without
network, how you can connect to a person in emergency?
Sir, there is a feature in the phones that allows for SOS call in the time of emergency. I can use that feature.
There is another feature that can you use to connect and to search an network, to search the network.
Sir, there is setting for manual selection of network, but that connectivity would be to the registered network provider. But in the case of non-availability,
in case in that area your service provider is not available, then you can search another service provider.
Sir, generally it don't connect to that.
It is possible in that case when your service provider is not available in that area.
Okay, sir.
That is
Thank you,
the
sir. I
duty
was
of
not
that
aware.
service provider, that they transfer their call in another service provider.
Thank you, sir. I was not aware of that.
Okay. As a IT engineer, first of all, tell me what is the difference between Navik and GPS?
Sir, Navik is an
I am asking only about the technical aspect, not about that it is Indian and it is American. That's right. That's not.
sir, Navik has less constellation of satellite, and it lies in the range of provide service in the range of 1500 kilometer, while global position.
What about the band of Navik and GPS?
Sir, sorry, sir, I am not aware of the bands.
What is the role of band?
Sir, band provides an range of a spectrum for connectivity.
In this regard, have you any information in GPS and Navik?
Sir, I don't
Okay, no issue.
remember the exact band
So
range.
first of all, tell me National Informatics Center.
Sir, it's an agency of the government which provides services to government and state governments pertaining to website hosting, data hosting, and digital services to the government and state governments.
Okay. And what is the Cyber Surakshit Bharat initiative?
Sorry, sir, I am not able to recall this at this time.
Are you aware about Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me.
Sir, Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Centers is established by the government in order to reporting of the crimes related to cyber security and cyber crimes. It's a centralized portals where one can report any incidents of cyber crime.
And what is different between the Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center and the CERTIN?
Sir, CERTIN is responsible for investigation of any cyber security breaches, while Indian Cyber Security Coordination
Cyber Crime Coordination Center.
Cyber Crime Coordination Portal sir, pertains to in particular crimes related to particular individual.
Okay. Last question. Can you tell me National Critical Information Infrastructure Protection Center? National Critical Information Infrastructure Protection Center.
Sir, its primary role is for protecting the government cyber infrastructures like data centers and all the other hosting services that the government has.
Okay, thank you.
What is Mission Suraksha going to be adopted by Bihar government from next year?
Sorry, sir, I am not able to recall.
It is the news of today newspaper.
Sir, I
You have
didn't
not
got time
read.
to go.
Suppose you are posted as DSP in some
Yes,
subdivision. In night, when you are going to sleep, you got some information from somebody on phone that 5 truckloads of cents, illicit scent,
Yes, sir.
passing through your area.
Yes, sir.
You got truck number also.
Yes, sir.
What step you will take in this to prevent the illicit transportation of sand in your area? In this case only.
Sir, first of all, I will inform the local police station in which these activities have been, whose jurisdiction these activities have been happening. After that, I will ask them to seize the trucks and move to the site to look after that what the case has
You
been.
have got only information about truck number, nothing else.
Sir, I will ask the transport division and the police of that particular area to first to barricade and look after that.
Which area you are going to barricade? You have got only truck number.
Sir, then I will check with the on whose name those trucks has been registered and reach out through that route. That and
You
look
got
up.
name of the truck owner also. Then what steps will you going to do?
Sir, if I don't have any information regarding the where the truck has been reported and all those, then I will reach out to the district registration officer office.
In night, where you will go? You are going to sleep at that time.
Excuse me, sir. And that truck number is registered in Tamil Nadu. Then what you will do? It may be possible.
Sir, then in that case, if I don't have, I will ensure that proper barricading is made and
That's why I'm telling. Where you are going to barricade the
Sir,
roads?
in my jurisdiction.
There are thousands of roads in your jurisdiction. Anyway.
Sorry, sir.
Cooking is your hobby.
Yes, sir.
The human body is fit for vegetarian food or non-vegetarian food. The digestive system of human body is fit for vegetarian food or non-vegetarian food.
Sir, it depends upon person to person and
Digestive, I am asking only digestive system. Is it preferred for vegetarian food or made for non-vegetarian food?
Sir, it's made for both.
What is the medium of digestion in human body?
Sir, for vegetarian food, it's easily digestible, while for
I am asking medium of digestion. In some carnivores,
yes, sir.
what is medium of digestion? In herbivores, what is medium of digestion?
Sorry, sir, I am not able to differentiate.
What is the ratio of carbohydrates and protein in good food? The range, you only indicate the ranges.
Sir, it varies from food to food and person to person.
No, I am asking good food ratio range, carbohydrate to protein, the ratio range.
Sir, considering for a normal human, mean carbohydrate range should be around 45 to 65.
No, carbohydrate, I am not asking carbohydrate. I am asking ratio. Ratio of carbohydrate to protein. The ranges you have to indicate.
Sir, may I get a second?
For good food only.
Sir, it should be in the ratio of 5:2. Carbohydrates should be in the proportion of 5 and protein should be in.
What is Malacca state?
Sir, Malacca state is a narrow water body that lies between Indonesia and Singapore in the Indian Ocean region.
Which sea it connects?
Sir, Andaman Sea and South China Sea.
What is Pak state?
Sir, Pak state lies in the Indian Oceans in the Andaman region.
Andaman region.
Sorry, sir, I am not able to. Sorry, sir.
What is port?
Port is in areas where the ships can harbor, and it.
Port provides which type of facility to port, sea transportation port?
Sir, port can be of two types: inland port and sea port. Sir, in inland port it provides connectivity through land means, while in seaport it provides connectivity through waterways.
What type of facility these ports are giving to sea transportation?
Sir, it provides as a transit zone where goods can be loaded and offloaded onto this ship.
Okay.
Okay, your interview is over. कैसा लगा आपको आज?
सर, मुझे लगा कुछ
हमें लगा बिट ऑफ नर्वसनेस।
सर शुरू में कुछ सॉरी हो गया, इसी के कारण उसका
नहीं,
इम्पैक्ट
अभी
मुझे
भी आप
लगा।
डरे हुए हो, अभी भी आपकी आवाज़ से ना एक मतलब जैसे होता है ना कि कंपन सा पैदा हो रहा है, ऐसा क्यों?
आज थोड़ा सा
प्रेशर में तो आना ही नहीं है आपको, जितना भी सॉरी हो जाए कोई बात नहीं, प्रेशर में एकदम बिल्कुल नहीं आना। यही सबसे बड़ा एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर का क्वालिटी होता है कि प्रेशर में जो आ गया वो कहीं का नहीं रहेगा, तो एकदम नहीं आना है आपको।
यस सर।
ठीक। और यहाँ पे मुझे तो कोई रीज़न नहीं दिखता उस प्रेशर का, बिकॉज आप वर्किंग हो, तो एक जो वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स की जो मैच्योरिटी होती है इंटरेक्शन में वो एक डिफरेंट होती है, वो जो सिर्फ प्रिपरेशन ही कर रहे हैं उनसे डिफरेंट होता है ना। तो वो चीज़ आज दिख नहीं रही थी। आप प्रेशर में फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगनिंग यू वेयर अंडर प्रेशर, तो ऐसा कोई चीज़ नहीं है। यू आर अ वेरी वेरी गुड कैंडिडेट एंड यू हैव गॉट सच अ नाइस एक्सपोजर एंड ओवर इट यू आर स्टिल कंटिन्यूइंग विथ योर जॉब
And
एंड
currently I am leave without pay.
Goodness.
okay, so but you are you haven't left,
No sir.
है ना। it's a sort of you can say risk or sacrifice which you have done, but you haven't left that.
Yes sir.
सो वो जो एक मेच्योरिटी थी वो दिखनी चाहिए थी, जो आज थोड़ी सी लैकिंग है। कोई रीज़न नहीं है लैक करने का, कुछ जो भी हो, बट यू शुडंट बी नर्वस। और आपने जो अभी बोली ना कि सॉरी हो गया था, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, उसके पहले से वो दिख रहा था। और सॉरी हो जाना इज़ नॉट अ क्राइम। अगर आपको नहीं कोई चीज़ रिकलेक्ट आ रहा है, इंस्टेड ऑफ ड्रैगिंग दैट यू वी शुड वेरी ऑनेस्टली से सॉरी। इट ऑल्सो शोज योर ऑनेस्टी. It's not a bad thing to do if we are not comfortable with any topic. जो स्टार्ट का क्वेश्चन था सेमीकंडक्टर सुपर कंडक्टर, तो वहाँ पे जो आंसर्स आ रहे थे ना वो बहुत ही जनरलाइज्ड आ रहे थे। ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था कि हम एक आईटी ग्रेजुएट या आईटी प्रोफेशनल से बात कर रहे हैं। वो दिखना चाहिए, एक दो लाइंस ऐसे निकलने चाहिए जिससे कि मैक्सिमम इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे पास आ जाए, है ना। वो थोड़ा सा उसको देख लीजिएगा। फिर आज आपका वीक एरिया दिखाई दिया ज्योग्राफी। ऑलमोस्ट सभी क्वेश्चन ज्योग्राफी के एक्सेप्ट जो लास्ट जो मलक का स्ट्रेट एंड समथिंग था, आप वहाँ पे शेकी थे। ओजोन लेयर के बारे में जो आपने हमें इंफॉर्मेशन दिया वो तो एकदम से ऑफ टारगेट था। इवन आप ट्रोपोस्फेयर और स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर की जो हाइट्स है उसको भी अच्छे से नहीं डिफाइन कर पाए। एक्चुअली ओजोन लेयर लाइज इन द लोअर स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर।
Yes sir.
ठीक है। और चूंकि ज्योग्राफी आपने ऑप्शनल रखा हुआ है तो इसको थोड़ा सा आपको देखना पड़ेगा,
Yes
है
sir.
ना। फिर सर का क्वेश्चन था रिलेटेड टू नाविक जीपीएस। वहाँ पे आपसे एक्सपेक्टेड था बिकॉज वो आपका डोमेन भी है आईटी, तो थोड़ा सा, है ना। सिचुएशन वाले जो और फिर कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का सर का जो क्वेश्चन था एनआईसी एंड अदर्स, तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थोड़ा देख लीजिएगा, मे बी कि वो पूछ दे आपसे, थोड़ा सा इसको देख लीजिएगा। सर का जो क्वेश्चन था सिचुएशन वाला ना, वहाँ पे सबसे बड़ी चीज़ होती है कॉमन सेंस। और कॉमन सेंस के लिए हमें क्वेश्चन के एक एक वर्ड को ध्यान से सुनना है ना। सर ने बार बार आपसे कहा कि यू हैव ओनली गॉट इन्फॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग द नंबर्स। उसकी क्या ऑथेंटिसिटी है पहले ये देखनी पड़ेगी ना आपको। गलत भी तो हो सकता है ना। कॉमन सेंस वहाँ पे यूज़ करना है। पहले उसे हम ऑथेंटिकेट करेंगे और जब हमें लग जाएगा कि नहीं ये सही है, तो जो कंसर्न पुलिस ऑफिसर्स है, जो पुलिस स्टेशन है, उनको कम्युनिकेट कर देंगे, वो समझेंगे क्या करना है। आपके लिए तो पॉसिबल नहीं है उतने बड़े एरिया में जाना।
Yes.
बस यही उसका आंसर।
Thank you sir. Thank you.